Welcome to my channel Tech Titan Reviews. The deep dive into the highly anticipated Sony Xperia Pro C, a powerhouse smartphone that promises to redefine the mobile experience for professional photographers and videographers. With 2024 just around the corner, the rumor mill is buzzing with exciting details about this compact yet formidable device. A return to compact phones gone are the days when smartphones were unwieldy bricks barely fitting into pockets. The Xperia Pro C is rumored to sport a more manageable 6-inch OLED screen, a significant step down from the larger 6.5-inch display of its predecessor, the Xperia Pro I display. A visual spectacle despite its smaller size, the Xperia Pro C is expected to deliver a stunning visual experience. Leaks suggest it will feature a 2K resolution display with an anti-reflection coating, making it ideal for both outdoor use and content creation. Power under-the-hood professional-grade functionality requires robust performance, and the Xperia Pro C is expected to deliver just that. Rumors indicate it will be powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient handling of demanding applications. Camera system, built for professionals. The camera system is where the Xperia Pro C truly shines. Sony is renowned for its exceptional camera technology, and the Pro C is no exception. The standout feature is a rumored 1-inch, 50MP primary sensor, a size typically reserved for high-end mirrorless cameras. Battery life: a larger 5,000 mAh battery is expected, a significant upgrade from its predecessor. Fast charging: another exciting rumor is the inclusion of 45W fast charging. Durability: as with previous Xperia models, the Pro C is likely to come with top-tier water and dust resistance. Pricing and availability: there's no official word from Sony yet regarding the pricing or release date of the Xperia Pro C. However, leaks suggest a possible launch in Q4 of 2024. Given the rumored specifications, the Xperia Pro C is likely to be positioned as a premium device, catering to professional content creators who demand the best performance and features. A Sony Xperia for everyone. The Xperia Pro C seems designed with professional content creators in mind. Worth the wait. The Sony Xperia Pro C is shaping up to be an exciting phone, especially for those who prioritize professional-grade camera capabilities in a compact form factor. In conclusion, the Sony Xperia Pro C is generating a lot of buzz with its rumored features and specifications. As we await more concrete details, the anticipation builds for what could be one of the most innovative smartphones of 2024. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to monitor the latest leaks and rumors about this exciting device.